back to Bloomingdale's Academy English class. Today, class 10, I will teach you the rearrangement of the words, phrases to make meaningful sentence. Such type of questions are asked to you in your board examination, and such type of 4 questions are given, and each sentence carry equal marks, 1 marks, and 4 sentence which is equal to 4 marks. I will tell you that how we rearrange the sentence which is given in your examination. See the first question, some words are given here. Junior was Mahendra for in supervisor. Students, we know that when we write its answer, first of all, we have a subject of a sentence to rearrange the sentence. And subject of any sentence could be a noun, a pronoun, infinitive, gerund, etc. But first of all, we prefer as a subject a noun in any sentence, because pronoun is also made from a noun. So in the first sentence, among all the words, word Mahindra is a noun, proper noun, and supervisor. Over here our subject will be Mahindra. After subject, verb was a supervisor and junior. Junior is an adjective and it will be used before supervisor. Mahindra was a junior supervisor in a firm. This will be the meaningful sentence for your first question. Mahindra was a junior supervisor in a firm. See the second one. His was and for he hard work known honestly. Among all these words which are given in question number 2, he will be used as a subject, because except he can't be used any other word as a subject. He was known. The given sentence is in passive voice. He was known for what? His hard work. For his hard work and honesty. And honesty. This will be the answer of your second question. The second one sentence will be rearranged like this. Now, third one, and then after fourth one. In third, job to keep his was NI activities on the at work side the. How will we rearrange it? What will be its answer? And what will be the subject of this sentence? his job was. What was his job was? His job was what? To keep an eye. On the activities where at the work site. At the work site. The third sentence will be realized like this. His job was to keep an eye, to means to watch on the activities at the work site. See the fourth one. Music, see, but learning stopped there. It's obvious that the subject of this sentence is see. Before this subject, we will use this conjunction but. See what? Never stopped. As you know that stop, want, wish, promise, these are really followed by gerund. But she never stopped learning. Music. Okay, students, this was today. I teach you that how we rearrange the given words or phrases in your examination paper, and such type of questions are asked to you from your grammatical portion for 4 marks. I taught you that how we should rearrange it. You also try to do some other questions from your board examination paper, and if you have any problem, then you can put your problem into your comment box. Thank you.